G'day, here's a small parcel of a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. I believe this came from up near Mainside, up near Appleton area. Rolls and millimetres. Material's been wetted. Okay, I've zoomed in so you get a better look. This first piece has got nice pinks and reds. Got a crack through here. So stone up at the top here, another stone here. Over here's not really good. Over here is another stone. Nice beautiful purple mauves. Sort of feminine colours, if you could say that. Very light lilacs. And nice piece. Next bit, some more reds, greens. Get a long sort of stone there. Over a fact. Sometimes these. There you go. That's where it's come off. So that's a pair. A pair of pieces, they're not matching pairs. This piece has got beautiful, a little bit see-through, but bright greens and blue flashes across it. It's a little bit, the surface is a bit too rough. Do much with that bit. It's a seam, need to grind down probably on this side, down to it, see what it reveals. Might just be white pots, that piece. It's got a bit of pink in there. Seam of colour through the middle here. Picture stone. Reds and greens. Grind that off there. Might end up with more colour under it. Lucky last but not least, a little bit mixed up. Maybe cut that in half. That way. You can perhaps split it thick enough. There is colour in this part. Or if you don't want to risk it, just grind it down. See there, you're going to grind that point off, come down onto it there. Anyway, they are what they are. Hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.